In the Succeed Hydroponics Kit, you will get a light and a stand that you'll need to assemble. This video is to show you how to properly set up the light and stand successfully so that your learning experience goes well. In the Succeed Kit there are two boxes. The first holds the stand, the second contains the light itself. In the box containing the stand, you'll find the following pieces: the crossbar that the light hangs from, two base pieces, and 4 leg pieces, 2 long ones and 2 short ones. Depending on your setup, you may only need 2 of the legs. In the box that contains the stand, you'll find the necessary hardware to put it together. Some kits may have extras, but the following are what you'll need: 2 black screws that hold the bases and the legs together, 2 silver screws if you need to put the 2 halves of the legs together, and an Allen key. You'll also find the clips that you'll need to attach the light bar to the stand. In some kits, these clips may already be attached to the light. First step to putting the stand together is screwing together a leg and a base. Slip one of the black screws into the hole in the bottom of the base and hold it there using the Allen key. Then you'll want to take the longer leg piece and hold it against the base. Using the Allen key, tighten the screw to hold the leg and the base together. Do this on both sides. Make sure they're not too tight, as you'll need to be able to get them back apart again when you take it apart. Once you have both legs attached to their bases, you'll end up with this. Make sure the overhangs are on the inside of the stand when you proceed to the next step. For some, however, you'll need to have both halves of the legs to have the light high enough above your hydroponics kit. To do this, take the smaller leg piece and slide it into the top of the larger one. Then, you'll have to take the silver screws and tighten the pieces together. This will need a screwdriver. It cannot use the Allen key. The next step will be to attach your crossbar to both of the legs. To do this, slide the crossbar down onto each of the legs, making sure the leg fits into the hole at the end of the crossbar. Make sure that each are secured, but not wedged so tightly that they can't come back apart. Do this for both sides, and you'll finish with an assembled stand. This is what the assembled stand should look like. In the second box, you will find the light bar, the power cord, and the user manual. To attach the light to the stand, you'll first need to attach the clips to the light bar. This may be hard to do as the clips are tight, so you might have to wiggle them on one side at a time. Your next step is to hang the light from the stand. You're going to do this by sliding the rings hanging from the crossbar through the little metal clips that you've just attached to the light bar. Please make sure that the ring slides through the little rubber piece as well, because it will be very difficult to get them apart otherwise. You're going to do this to both sides, and when you're done, you will have successfully hung the light from the stand. Your next step is to plug the light bar into the power cord. Make sure it's the right side of the light bar, as the power cord will only fit into one. Your final step in the assembly is to plug the other end of the power cord into your timer, and then plug your timer into the wall outlet. Please make sure the timer is already set up to automatically turn the light on and off, and also make sure the light power itself is turned on so that the light comes on when it's time. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled the light and stand for your kit.